Hello, welcome to Swajnana class again. Are we going to discover the new land today? Certainly we have to discover. What do you say? Yes, how interesting this play it was. It was really an interesting play. Covers, you will have to kill me first. Covers, you will have to kill me first. Whose words are these? Sandeep? Pepe. What is the opposite of covered? Come on, can you tell me? Yes, cowards. Opposite is brave. Okay. Now, what is the noun form of covered? Cowardice. Here it is adjective, and that is why the opposite also should be in noun form. It's adjective, noun form. This is noun. This is also noun. Adjective, and here also bravery. It is a noun form. Remember, this is adjective. This also should be adjective. This one is noun. That is also noun. Who does you refer to? The angry men who rushed towards Columbus to kill him. What does it tell about Pepe? Pepe was real, though he was a little boy. He was very brave. Though he is a little boy, he is very brave. Then how we should be? We should also be brave. And if you ask for another word for covered, what can you give? Yes, timid. What? Timid. Pukka, timid. Swami, our hero in the first lesson, was he not timid? He was afraid to sleep alone in his father's office. The column, shall we continue? Yes, you are ready, aren't you? What? Does the child stand between me and death? That was the last sentence in the previous class. Pepe going to him quickly, my captain. The men are somewhat sheepish. Columbus, Pepe, he pacifies, samadhana padisodu. Pepe hedari hogitane, Columbus aniga koltaranteli. Pepe, this is a voyage of discovery. Voyage alla, voyage. It is a sea journey. Journey. Samudra yana. Journey. Whenever your friends go abroad, you give ad in newspaper. What? Born voyage. How many of you have seen this? Born voyage to so and so. See, born voyage. Safe journey. It is nothing but a safe journey. Okay, Videshayana. This is a voyage of discovery, journey of discovery. The men growl there. They are in angry mode. They are struggling to control their temper. I set out to discover a new world. Discover a new world. I set out, Christopher, set out. ಹೊರಡುವುದು. Started for what? Discover a new world. Discover, verb form. Discovery, noun form. And what kind of land? Radiant, shining, ಹೊಳೆಯುವ, beyond unknown seas. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು? ಯಾರು ನೋಡೋದ? ಯಾವುದು? ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಚೆಗಿನ ಊರು. To find new wealth. Wealthy fellow. Health is wealth, noun form. See, wealth. Just remove the first letter and replace it with the H, it becomes health. And dominion, new wealth, dominion, land for who? For our sovereign king and queen. New souls for the sacrifice of our Savior to redeem. ರಕ್ಷಕ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಆತ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So far, ಇಷ್ಟರ ತನಕ, so far, I have discovered but one thing. So far, did they discover? They traveled, they sailed for many days. Did they discover any new land? No. But what does he mean when he says, I have discovered one thing? What does it tell about? What does he mean? He pauses, continues with a slow deliberation. I have discovered, ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I have discovered that when a man is given a vision, ಕೆಲಸ, ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ he must follow it alone. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಜಾಬನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಇವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ, ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ, ಇವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬಿದೆ. ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ, ನಿಷ್ಠೆ. ಲಾಯಲ್, ನೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಲಾಯಲ್. Who is loyal here? Everyone. But in a scene, in this scene, what is the spelling of scene? S-C-E-N-E. Who? Pepe. Loyal. We must be loyal, not disloyal. It passes loyalty, ನಿಷ್ಠೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತನ ಹೇಗೆ passes like seaweed. ಸೀವೀಡ್, ಒಂದು ಕಳೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆನ್ ದಿ ಔಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಡ್, ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕಳೆಯ ಹಾಗೆ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪಾಸಸ್, ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್, ಆ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ, ಹೇಗೆ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಡಗಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ಕಂಬ, ಪೋಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದಲು ಹುಳ, ವೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಹಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಟೊಳ್ಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೊಳ್ಳಾದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್? ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನರೇಬಲ್ ಒಬೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಆನರೇಬಲ್, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಯಾವುದು? ವಿಧೇಯತನ. ದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್. ನೀರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ವ, ನೀರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಗೆ. ಆ ಗುಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವ ಮಳೆ ಬರುವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈನ್, ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ. But what happens? Within no time, they burst. ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್, discipline, duty and obedience, they are like bubbles and burst at the first contact. ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. What does he compare discipline, duty and honorable obedience to? Bubbles. Okay, what does he compare discipline, duty, honorable obedience to bubbles. And what are bubbles here? Discipline, duty and obedience. And here in his crew, does he find discipline? No. Duty? No. Obedience? No. They are not in discipline. Duty they have forgotten. Obedient they are disobedient. That's why he says, there remains ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುವುದು only one. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ one self, ನನ್ನ ತನ, ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ. That is my discovery so far, Pepe. Pepe, his eyes gleaming with excitement. Captain, I am loyal. I am still obedient. Still your devoted servant. They might have forgotten. ಅವರು ಮರೆತಿರಬಹುದು, ಅವರು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರಬಹುದು. But I am still, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ, I am with you. I am loyal to you. I am your servant. You are my master. Columbus replied, Nodi, I am not ungrateful. Grateful, thankful. Grateful spelling, see? Grateful, noun form of grateful is gratitude. I write here, grateful, noun form is gratitude. Opposite of grateful, ungrateful. And here gratitude, the noun form, it is noun form, that is why ingratitude. Just like just, noun form justice, just, unjust. You complete this one, okay? You complete and here. But better to write this one, but don't write this one. This is wrong. Okay? Let this mistake not creep in. What is extra here? Not ye. Ye should not come. Okay? Is that clear for you? Okay. Now see, my dear students, we must be grateful we came to know. Now there, Pedro, see, is clapping his with the dignity. I hope my loyalty has never been in question. I hope you are not questioning my loyalty. And he salutes. Who does Pedro salute? Columbus. Now you just judge. Is he honest? Is he sincere? Is he loyal? Don't know. Columbus returning the salute, he also returns. See, here Columbus, how wisely he manages the situation, the worst situation. They were so desperate that they wanted to kill the rush. And Pepe came in between. And still he did not lose his heart. He was not discouraged. He did not run away. He stood there. You have sometimes been silent. Now he says, you have sometimes been silent, Don Pedro. When speech would have made your loyalty clear, you are silent. That is why I doubted. If you had spoken, your loyalty would have been clear. You are silent. But I thank you. Columbus turns and looks out at sea. For a moment, his attention is fixed. He peers more earnestly into the darkness. Ashtondu curiously into the darkness. There is a movement among the men. He turns. There was a movement among the men. He turns. Ivan, Patino, Joanella, Ivan. We are simple men, sir. Continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We are simple men, sir. ನಾವು ಸಾದ ಸರಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು. Columbus hastily, we are simple men, sir. Shall simple men judge their betters? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಗಿಲರ್ಮೋ ಸರ್ಲಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಪದಿಂದ, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ವಿ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೇಟ್. ವಿ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೇಟ್. ಕೊಲಂಬಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಡೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್. Dark deeds, unjust deeds, better done in the dark. Guillermo scowling, but sheepy slinks off, followed by one or two of these seamen. Francisco, desperate men do not always act up to the best that is in them, sir. Desperate men do not always act up to the best that is in them. These men, they are best, but they are desperate. That is why they cannot work, they cannot act up to the best. Columbus, with quietly, I thank you for reminding me, Francisco. Reminding, ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸು, ನೆನಪಿಸುವುದು, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾಡ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಉಂಟು, ರಿಮೈಂಡ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್, ಐ ನೋ. ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಕೋ ರಿಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಟರ್ಡ್. ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಟರ್ಡ್. Good night. Columbus said. Francisco half turns to speak again, but thinks better of it and goes shamefaced. The best cannot be bettered. Desperate men cannot act up to the best that is in them. Answer was given. Several others go to sheepish. When Francisco goes, others also go, follow him. A short silence for a short time. Columbus does not move. He does not move. He is struggling with the overwrought, deeply sentimental nodi of feelings or the overwrought emotions. When he speaks, his voice is not steady. Go boy. Go boy, they have gone. You too go. Pepe seizes his hand and catches, holds his hand, kisses it and hastily descends. Hastily ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಕ್ and goes out. Columbus turning to Pedro, 2 minutes ago, Don Pedro, I thought I saw. He was peering into the darkness. Though they were talking here, he peered into the darkness. He saw. We have seen already. Where is that one? Can you find? Did you get? Yes. In the previous page. Yes. Yeah, last but one line. He peers more earnestly into the darkness. Why was he peering, sees, looking earnestly into the darkness? He saw something. He had visions, a far sight. Duradrishti. I thought I saw. He peers into the action. It is. What, sir? A light, faintly flickering. Light, faintly, weakly flickering. Ello shine, flash ಆದಾಗೆ ಕಂಡಿತು ನನಗೆ. Rising up and down, rising up and down. ಯಾಕೆ? Ship sails, that is why. ಆಗ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ flashing. I saw some light. Look. It is, sir. Pedro, now he is optimistic. ಆಶಾವಾದ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Oh yes, We got, it is a glory be to God. At this moment, there is a wild shout of, it is a light, land, land. See the angry mob, angry crew. Now they are very happy. Now they are shouting. Why? At last, in spite of their protest, or desperate nature, desperate attitude, they could reach a new land. They could discover a new land. That is why they are excited, in noun form excitement. They say, it is so. What is that it is? Yes, we have seen, we too have now kuda a light ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆವು. Sailor, did you see it, sir? ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Did you see, sir, a light, blessed mother of God, a light? Columbus, with a quiet authority, give the order to heave to. Yes, you stop. Now he gives order. And now, at last, Columbus succeeded in discovering a new land. Wealth, dominion, dazzling, shining, radiant for his ruler. How is the play? Happy ending or sad ending? Happy ending. You thought it would end up in what? Tragedy, bad ending. No. How does it end? Happy ending. Surely we are happy. Now, children, do you have any doubts? Yes, delirious means almost mad. Okay. In his somewhat long speech, what does Columbus say that he has discovered? Yes, where do you find that one? Yes, Columbus made a speech that you have to read. Okay, he discovered one thing. Loyalty passes like seaweed. Friendship breaks like a mast hollowed by worms. Discipline, duty, honorable obedience are bubbles that burst at the first contact, remember. And when one is given a vision, he must follow it alone. And burst, what is the opposite? What is the burst? Means break. What is the burst? Past tense, burst. Past participle, burst. Bursting, that's the present participle. He burst. Okay, you know. That speech you must remember. Okay, you have to write. Pepe excitedly declares that he is still loyal to the leader. What effect does it have on others like Juan and Guillermo? They feel guilty. And Pedro, what does he do? Pedro is asking, do you question my loyalty? Yes. Now compare Francisco's words of confession with what he had said earlier in anger. How does Columbus react to his compassion, to his confession? Confession means agree one's own mistake. ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. What? Desperate men do not always act up to the best that is in them. Before that, discipline is a thing of the past. It is you or us. Now he realizes his mistake. How does Pedro react to the words of Columbus that he thought he saw some flickering light? He became curious there. See there, what's then? Sir, glory to God, we found a new land. That is how. Do you consider the ending to be happy? Yes. the ending should be happy, and it is fitting also. Why? He set out with the one goal. Now, if he doesn't reach the goal, doesn't give any message. And lot of message. One should have discipline, one should have patience, one should control his anger. Say Columbus controlled his anger and others lost their control and so on. Now think about the text. Already we have discussed mutiny is an ugly word. That all you have to see. Okay. Pepe says, everybody doubts except me. Why do you think he is an exception? Yes, when everybody doubted, he did not doubt. And he himself told Athava informed Columbus that they were planning, they are desperate and planning to kill. And he had heard Santa Maria, someone saying, Santa Maria would be the carcass for his, Santa Maria would be, what does that repeat? Santa Maria lighter for his carcass. Okay? Right. You got it. And now, usually people feel desperate men, they fail to get something they want. In the play Discovery, why do crewmates of Columbus feel desperate? Why were they actually desperate? Yes, in spite of traveling for many days, they could not find any new land, and at that juncture, at that point, they remembered their family members and they wanted to go back. They felt homesick and they lost the hope of getting a new land. That's why they became desperate also. Discipline knows no buts. Why is discipline needed in one's life? Discipline. Yes, discipline breeds everything. Without discipline, we can't achieve our goal. If we have goal, those 3 P's I told you what? One has to prepare, one has to plan, and one has to perform. And without discipline, these 3 P's cannot be followed. Comparing with the co-mates, Columbus makes some statements that you just find out. Okay, if you don't find out, you just come and approach me. Now 10th one you see, your best cannot be better, says Columbus. This statement implies, what does it imply? None is perfect at any time. There is always scope for improvement. Once we reach the level of being best, we can never improve. Yes or no? Yes. Purity, patience, perseverance are the essential to success according to Swami Vivekananda, and above all, love. Does Columbus possess all these qualities? Purity, yes. Patience. At times he lost his patience, but he became patient. And perseverance, though his teammates were angry, they were shouting at him, planning to kill him, he did not give up his voyage. Instead, he continued till the end. That's a perseverance. Yes, of course. Find below the words that refer to Columbus and words that refer to mutinous sailors. Classify them in columns A and B. That you will be doing it. Okay, revolting. Who? In A, Columbus. Who? Revolting. B. Okay, sheepish, B. Short-tempered, Columbus. Authoritative, Columbus. Bold, Columbus. Ungrateful, crewmates. Yes or no? Far-sighted, Columbus. Submissive, B. Silently angry, B. Visionary, Columbus. Disloyal, others. Okay. And now, dear students, you have a work cut out for you. 13.1, an incomplete paragraph is given. Fill in the blank choosing appropriate word and phrases given in brackets. What are given? Vision, faith, God, birds, voyage, the end, seaweeds and new land. And thereby we have to enrich our vocabulary. It is given cold is icy, chilly and cool. Read those dialogues. And below in task 2, you have startled, barely, big and fringe. This is the work for you. Right? Startle, and in the box you are given the words. The synonyms, not antonyms, ವಿರೋಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಲ್ಗೆ is given. For example, startled, amazed ನೋಡಿ, barely, meagerly, ಓಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಗ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮತ್, ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್, ಎಡ್ಜ್, ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ನೀಡ್? Discipline. Discipline breeds everything. Where shall we wind up? Yes. Thank you.